My name is Roberto and I'm an architect and interior designer at NAR Design Studio.
My name is Nicholas, one of the owners and principal interior designers from NAR Design Studio.
As designers, we love to work with companies that are a reference in the market. And VELUM was selected as one of our collaboration projects for that reason.
I'm Russ. I'm a founder of VELUM Design. We work in this building 1000 Museum in quite a few projects already. And now we had an opportunity to actually work with an amazing team of NAR Design, Beto and Nicholas.
At this unit at 1000 Museum, my inspiration was to bring the surrounding architecture to the interiors.
So we work with a lot of organic forms, trying to push our design to the limit.
When I saw the plans, when I saw the renderings, I felt like, oh my God, those guys got the feeling of actually how to do the project, how to design, how to make organic shapes.